I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for me, dawn. And I was running far away, would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I